Okay, the difference between a training need analysis and a need diagnostics is, and need diagnostics starts with the problem that they're having. It is more reactive. A training need analysis is more proactive. So if an organization does that, I'm going to do a training need analysis. They say that we are not doing bad. But what is that we can do to improve? A need diagnostic study talks differently. It diagnoses the need that the organization has right now. So it says, we are doing something wrong in this. There is something wrong which is preventing the sales to go. So let's do a diagnostic study. The DISC assessment says who I am, right? That's the DISC assessment. The MBTI says, how do I look at you? How do I look at you? So both are inherently, it is for me. The third, 5 talks about, how do I talk to you?
In a team have such a varied opinion about a particular task, see where we are.
Yes, walk.
Before this, I want to tell you a small story. Just assume my name is Tanveer Ahmed, I'm 30 years old, and I want to have a Honda.
People, he has a sea of crowd which swoons over his music, the way he sings.
Environment. So there is this, junior associate who works with a client from the US.
This is one way of doing it. The second way is improving your brand in itself. Do you agree to this point?
Yes.
Yes?
Hello, I'm Churchill Sampson, a corporate trainer, and let me tell you that I have attended this Dronacharya Eka Academy Train the Trainers program, and let me say very honestly, it was definitely a value addition and also a fabulous training program.
The main takeaways which I have seen here, the fruitful results which is going to help me is, what is the terminal objective, what is the enabling objective? Generally customers give the training program, but that is not necessarily the training which we are supposed to conduct. So that would be the terminal objective of the customer. We need to do the analysis and come out with the enabling objective. That's what is the prime takeaway which I was going to take from this training.
It's a very great experience to know, it's training in a holistic way where we have got to know what all components really help us to master in the field of training.